All right, it is Bowman's Best Time, 23 Bowman's Best Baseball Hobby, PYT 193. Get your guesses in for the player on the last auto out of this break. You do not have to be in the break to guess. We already got 2 guesses in there. 2 mini box per 1 master box. 6 packs per mini box, 5 cards per pack. So there should be 60 total cards, 30 in each one of these. And 4 autos per master box. Should be 2 per mini. Good luck. There's our master box. Here's our 2 minis. This is always a fun rip. Bowman's Best. Good mix of prospects and veterans in here. Pack in there. There's empty mini box number 1. Empty box number 2. All right, here we go. Pack number 1. We will be back again tomorrow night, starting at 9 p.m. Central. There's Bo Bichette to start us off here. Davison de Los Santos. Josu De Paula. How about a rookie? Not sure what was this. Why can't I think what this is? Yeesh, what is it? Smashed? I can't remember what that's called. Gabriel Moreno on the refractor rookie right there. Does say refractor right there. Paul Skeens. Lazaro Montez. Michael Harris on the blue. Ooh, there's our first auto. That's out of 150. 141 out of 150. Got an auto coming up. Ooh, I think it's a red auto. I could be wrong. I think it's a red. Red's still a 5. That looks like a red. Oh, no, I guess that's probably just the Cleveland colors. I got excited. Not bad. Chase DeLauder, though, on the rookie auto right there. And that is going to go to the Guardians. Got kind of carried away, thinking there was some red. There's Mookie Betts on the refractor right there. Talk about those in just a moment. Next pack. Again, we should have one more auto out of this mini box. Shea Langoliers rookie. Kodai Senga. Bobby Witt Jr. Reel to reel Emmanuel Bonilla on the die cut. Reel to reel. That's going to the Blue Jays. Taj Bradley rookie. Miguel Cabrera. Chris Bryant. Michael Harris. Ezekiel Tovar on the Randy Johnson photo right there. All these photos were taken by a former World Series champion, Hall of Famer Randy Johnson. That's going to go to the Rockies. And we got a Jackson Holiday refractor. Stop load that. Get these other ones top loaded here as well. It looks like we have 2 packs left out of this first mini box. Should still have one more auto coming up. And then we have 2 autos out of the second mini box. So 3 total autos on the way. You guys are guessing the player on the last auto. We got a Churio and Volpe guess. Does anybody else want to get a guess in there if you're watching? I think we're down to about 3 viewers or so. We lose the viewers once we start opening baseball. We get people to buy the spots, not a lot, but they don't like watching it live, I don't think. Zach Neto, Julio Rodriguez, CJ Abrams. How about Joindry Vargas? The autograph there. Best of 23 autograph card. Nice one for the Dodgers. Brando Maia on the refractor for the Yankees. Next pack. Xavier Isaac. Enrique Bradfield Jr. Phelan Celestine. Josh Young on this parallel. There's Gunnar Henderson. What is this? AP. Wish I would have checked out the parallels when we first started. That's an awesome looking card. That's going to the Texan spot. Gunnar Henderson on our last refractor out of that box. Next box, here we go. We got our 2 autos coming up. All right, pack number 1. Brett Beatty on the rookie there. Fernando Tatis. Masterpieces. Francisco Alvarez for the Mets. On the masterpieces. There's nothing that shows what these. Ooh, here we go. How about a Corbin Carroll? One of those AP inserts. Let's hit 4. Diamondbacks. Masataka Yoshida. Refractor right there. Joey Votto. Luis Arraez. Francisco Lindor. Shelled. Is that what that is? Something I don't know. Brando Maia on that one. Tommy Troy on the refractor. Manny Machado. Brandon Rocchio. Max Clark. Diego Catara. There's an auto for the Dodgers. That's their second auto of this break. Dodgers seem to always be loaded up with some sort of prospects. And all the Bowmans. There we go. Nice hit there for the Dodgers. And we got Christian Vaquero. We got 3 packs left. We should have 1 auto left as well. So good luck to those guys. We got their guesses in. Nice little break here. I like this Bowman's Best. Hope we fill quite a few more of these breaks. This is a fun one. Roderick Arias. Gabriel Gonzalez. Jazz Chisholm. How about a green Zach Neto? Out of 99. 23 out of 99 on Neto. And Jazz Chisholm on the refractor. 2 packs left. We have Stewie Ruiz, Anthony Volpe, James Outman, Matt Mervis. Another one of those Randy Johnson photos, and Riley Green on the refractor. Last pack. About Christopher Morel, Tristan Casas, Ronald Acuna, Alfredo Dunno is our auto, and Matt McLean on the refractor. Alfredo Dunno is the last auto in the guess of the break. Going to the Reds spot. Nice hit for the Reds. Let's top load the rest of these. I'll do my recap. We'll end it for the night. We'll be back again tomorrow night. I want to thank everybody for joining the breaks. Again, guys, make sure you check out the website. Sign up for our email list, jackpotbreakers.com. If you guys want to continue to do retail breaks, eBay is getting rid of retail breaks. From what I heard, here in about 30 days. So we'll continue to do those on the website. We'll keep doing these hobby boxes and stuff like that on eBay as well. This was 23 Bowman's Best Hobby PYT 193. We're going to top load these. We'll do a recap. Then we'll end it for the night. Oh yeah, we'll send you something for sure. Absolutely. Yeah, we'll know once we sort them who missed and who didn't. We'll send you some for sure. We got the wave here of Jazz Chisholm. Those were not numbered. Green Zach Nito out of 99. 23 out of 99. Refractor of Chisholm. There's Matt Mervis, the Randy Johnson photo there. Refractor of Green. Refractor of McLean. Alfredo Dunno was our last auto of the break. Then we had the Maya Troy on this refractor, Vancaro refractor, Yoshida refractor, Corbin Carroll, Diego Cartaya on the auto for the Dodgers, Masterpieces, Alvarez, Henderson refractor, Josh Jung, Maya refractor. We had Joindri Vargas on the auto, Yoshida, Gabriel Moreno refractor, Mookie Betts refractor, Chase DeLauder rookie auto, Jackson Holiday refractor, Ezekiel Tovar on the Randy Johnson photo, reel-to-reel die cut of Manuel Bonilla, Michael Harris on the blue out of 150. All right, guys, that does it for the breaks tonight. Appreciate each and every one of you for helping fill them. We'll be back again tomorrow. You guys have a great night.